Hello everyone! What is up? My name is Anna and welcome back to my channel. So I always say it's been a very long time, but it really has this time. It's been 5 months. Yeah, I filmed 2 videos since then and I have neither started editing nor posted either of those. I'm sorry, Emma, I will get to it. So, here's like a quick, easy 5-minute back to school makeup tutorial that hopefully I should edit and get out within like the next week. That's my hope. I'm recording this on August 9th. So we'll see. So anyways, let's just get into it. So I'm gonna prep my face. I washed my face, put moisturizer on my face. I did that this morning and it's the afternoon, but it counts. Do what I say, not what I do. I'm gonna start with concealer. So this is the Pacifica Liquid Cover Concealer. So this is a good concealer, but like it gets kind of all over the place. I don't know why, the cap does not keep it in somehow. I'm just gonna put a little bit right in the corner of my eye bags right here, and then I'm going to put it on any other blemishes I might want to cover up or any places I want highlighted, like my forehead or my nose. So I'm not starting with foundation. If you want to, you could do like a BB cream or a CC cream or just something to even the complexion on a day if you're like breaking out or if you just want more coverage for any reason. You can do that. I do that sometimes too. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. concealer brush to just blend out the very edges of this concealer here. I find the best way to blend out concealer with a brush is to start from the edges and then work your way towards where you want most of the product to be. I'm going to let this sit for a little bit longer while I blend out my other concealer, just so that it gives some more coverage. Also, one of the reasons I haven't posted in so long is because I've been focusing a lot on the content I'm doing on Instagram. So my account will be linked in the description. If you want to go check me out on there, it's annaxbeauty. And then I'm going to go back to this under eye area and just start kind of patting it in. So you can just see the difference. Like, look at it. This just looks so much more bright and this is like... And then I'm going to go in with some lipstick for blush. It's just like a nice natural blush moment. I'm going to blend this all out with a beauty sponge, a damp beauty sponge. Sure to get all the places that I had concealer as well as my cheeks to blend that blush in. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel and I'm just going to use that on my eyebrows first. And I'm going to try not to dip it back in. And then I'm going to take the very tip of this. This is completely optional, just like, everything in this video technically is. I'm just going to take the tip of this and do little freckles. And I'm going to do small areas at a time because if you wait too long to blend it out, it ends up just looking really patchy and bad. I already have freckles, but I do like to add some more sometimes. Of course, if you have like an actual freckle product, then that would work better. But since I don't, I just use this. That looks pretty good to me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend all of it out. And then use a small fluffy brush to set underneath the eyes. So I like to use banana powder just to give a little extra brightening, but you can use any like translucent or skin tone powder. And if you're planning on adding some eyeshadow, you're not gonna wanna set above your eyes, but if you're not, then you do, because you don't want all the creases to stay there. And then if you want to go in and add more details to your eyebrows, like a brow pencil or something, you can do that. I personally don't, because I feel like it just takes too much time. This video is basically just like what I do to give you inspiration for what you feel comfortable doing. Whether it's more or less, adding things, taking away things, it really doesn't matter. It's just like something to get you started. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. Lash Extending Mascara. I like to do a little more lengthening mascaras and not voluminous mascaras for like everyday occasions, just because I feel like it looks more natural. So I usually do 1 or 2 coats of this. And then I'm going to pick a lipstick you can just do gloss, or if you want to add like a pop of color to make it a little more interesting, you could. I like to do kind of a pinky nude. So I'm going to line my lips with the Lip Esteem lip pencil in Curry. I'm gonna blend that out a little bit with my finger. And then I'm gonna use the Honest Beauty Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Summer Melon. And then I'll probably bring this with me to reapply. Some setting spray. One final sponging. And then we're done. Easy peasy. Just like a nice little makeup look for school. But yeah, so that's the look. I hope you found this video entertaining or educating. If you did, please make sure to subscribe and check out my Instagram channel. It is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!